Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by knowing the score. Check your 7-day screen report and write the average. Once done, pick a single measurable goal, for example, reduce total screen time 30% in 2 weeks and commit it to a note. Next, create 2 anchor windows, a morning 30-minute no-screen ritual and a 60-minute pre-bed wind down. These prerequisites set boundaries and create friction against reactive scrolling. Now, you can move from planning into concrete habit changes. Once anchors are working, you layer sustainable changes. Make replacements. When the urge to scroll hits, do a 10-minute alternative, read, stretch, or plan to break the cue action loop. Then use tools, set strict app limits, enable grayscale, batch notifications, and remove distracting icons from your home screen so decisions require effort. Finally, schedule deliberate tech breaks like 25/5 focus cycles and 1 full screen-free evening per week. These practices lower total use and retrain attention systems. To finish, cement gains and prepare for setbacks. You should review weekly metrics and celebrate small wins of 5 to 10%. Positive feedback fuels consistency. If you relapse, audit the trigger, stress, boredom, or habit, and tighten limits or enlist an accountability partner. For severe lapses, use a timed lockbox or app blocker. Lastly, rotate replacement activities every 4 weeks to prevent boredom and maintain novelty. This sequence closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.